Hello green thumbs and eco warriors. Welcome to Soil Books, where I explore natural and sustainable ways to grow a thriving garden. Today, I'm tackling a topic that every gardener faces: pests. But don't worry, I'm not reaching for harsh chemicals. Instead, we're diving into the ultimate guide to organic pest control that actually works. Did you know that you can protect your plants from pests without harming the environment or your health? By the end of this video, you'll learn proven eco-friendly methods to keep your garden pest-free. So let's get started. Before I dive in, let me ask you a quick question. What's the most frustrating pest you've dealt with in your garden? Is it aphids, slugs, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's break it down. Organic pest control is all about working with nature, not against it. Here are the most effective methods to keep your garden healthy and pest-free. Here's why organic pest control is a game changer. Safe for the environment. No harmful chemicals that can pollute soil, water, or air. Protects beneficial insects. Organic methods target pests while sparing pollinators like bees and butterflies. Healthier plants. Natural solutions strengthen plants and improve their resilience. Cost-effective. Many organic pest control methods use items you already have at home. And the best part, it's easy to implement and incredibly effective. Here are 5 proven organic pest control methods that actually work. Neem oil. What it does. Neem oil disrupts the life cycle of pests like aphids, mites, and whiteflies. How to use. Mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil with 1 liter of water and spray on affected plants. Diatomaceous earth. What it does. This natural powder dehydrates and kills pests like slugs, ants, and beetles. How to use. Sprinkle a thin layer around the base of plants or on leaves. Companion planting. What it does. Certain plants repel pests naturally. For example, marigolds deter nematodes and basil keeps mosquitoes away. How to use. Plant pest-repelling plants next to vulnerable crops. Homemade insecticidal soap. What it does. This soap suffocates soft-bodied pests like aphids and spider mites. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of mild liquid soap with 1 liter of water and spray on pests. Beneficial insects. What it does. Introduce natural predators like ladybugs, lacewings, or nematodes to control pests. How to use. Purchase beneficial insects online or from a garden center and release them in your garden. Prevention is always better than cure. Here's how to keep pests away naturally. Keep your garden clean. Remove dead leaves and debris where pests can hide. Rotate crops. Prevent pests from building up by rotating crops each season. Use mulch. Mulch helps retain moisture and discourages pests like slugs. Encourage biodiversity. A diverse garden attracts beneficial insects and keeps pests in check. Inspect plants regularly. Catch pest problems early before they spread. Now, let's answer a quick question. Can organic pest control work for large gardens or farms? Absolutely. These methods can be scaled up and are often used in organic farming. It just takes a little planning and consistency. So, here's my question for you. Which organic pest control method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found these organic pest control tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. Together, let's grow healthier gardens and protect our planet. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Until next time, stay green, keep growing, and remember, nature has all the solutions we need. See you soon.